Right, guys, we're in the car. As you can see, you can't see. So it's 9 o'clock, soon starting our first driving lesson. The windows are misty. What I've done, I've turned off the auto wiper so the windscreen doesn't clear while the blade is stuck to the window. I've made sure the back wipers are off also. Then I'm going to start the car. Now that I've started the car, the temperature outside is -5. So now I'm going to use the quick front window demister. I'm also going to turn on the rear demister so that window clears as well. You can hear that noise. We've turned it on. We'll see how long it takes. And what we've done is we've turned on the fast front demister. The air conditioning comes on to remove condensation in the car. The front windscreen, so the fast motor is on, and the heater is also on. Now this windscreen, it will only start like clearing very quickly once this ducted is kept clear and it's allowed to blow to the window. Now one of the faults with cars like these that have localized vents like this is when you turn the air conditioning on in summer, it only concentrates here, so when you turn the car off, it freezes in this place. This is a common fault with cars like these that only have 2 vents at the front. Now the air in the car is starting to warm, and because it's an electric car, it shouldn't take that long. So I've been running this video for 1 minute now, and we'll see in a few moments. And once you see a break in the ice here, that's when it will start clearing. Now we have vents over here. This vent will clean this window. That vent will clean this window. You don't need this vent to clean this. It's this vent that will clean this side door glass. Now you can see there, it's clearing. So once that appears, it will break the ice. Once it breaks in one place, it will break everywhere. You can see it appearing on this side. And the back window is happening anyway. You can see it happening now. And once it happens a little, it spreads very quickly. Now we've been in the car for 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now I don't clean the windscreen until I can see reasonably well through the window. So I'm going to wait another maybe 20 seconds. You can see it happening more on this side than it is on this side. That means the ice on this side was thinner than the ice on this side in terms of the build-up of ice. So we're now 3 minutes into the video and it's still -5 outside. You'll see I've got my front fast demister, I've got my rear demister on. That will also clear my door mirrors. In my car, in a Hyundai, you must turn on the rear demister to clean the door glass. In some cars they have a button down here that cleans them. However, on my car we don't. Now you'll see that the windscreen is almost clear. Now that it's almost clear, it's safe for me to use my windscreen wipers. Now this will take another maybe 10 seconds until the windscreen is clear. Now you must have a clear front windscreen when you are driving the vehicle. So you'll see on this side it's almost clear, on this side just a little more. And that's how you clean a front windscreen, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now that the windscreen is clear, what we want to do now is turn this noise, because you can't drive with this noise, it's too much noise, you can't hear emergency vehicles approaching. We want to turn on the permanent, and we want this at a low volume, at a low blower volume. So at the moment it's on fast. We turn this on and you'll see the audio has changed. We change it, we're selecting where the air is pushed. So currently it's on 3, windscreen, and now it's at the floor. Now it's at the floor on the windscreen. Now it's at the windscreen only. Now that's the hands only. That's a bottom, and then your feet only. and that's the windscreen see enhance. I usually have it on windscreen enhance. The temperature is at 20. I'm going to turn that to 23. You can hear the audio as in the blower making a little bit more noise. Yes, it impacts your range. You'll see there 230, and if I turn my fan on, you can see it goes down by almost 20 miles. Shockingly, so does your car, petrol or diesel, but you don't realize it. Okay, so we've got this on and it's working, and it's on permanent and it's on low. Thank you for watching, guys.